Hey guys, today I'll share my 4 months of experience with the Alpilean supplement with you all. I'll also share some photos of my before and after transformations. I will also tell you the bad things about this as well as the good things and a lot of other things you need to consider so you know and decide if you want to get or use Alpilean or not. So, to help you decide if Alpilean is right for you, I'll share my backstory and experience with Alpilean along with the before and after photos. To begin, I saw an ad for Alpilean while browsing on Facebook, which was how I first heard about this supplement. Now, there was an advert that said something like ice method burns 1.5 pounds every 24 hours. I was really desperate to know whether there was a way to lose weight, so obviously I clicked on it because it seemed like it would have some solution to my problem. Now, to tell you the truth, I have also tried a wide variety of medicines and diets such as paleo and keto, but nothing has worked for me. So, I clicked on this ad and went to the Alpilean website and watched the whole video on their webpage. I was very interested, but I was still a little skeptical, so I went to YouTube and saw some reviews that really encouraged me to try this supplement. In order to find out how well it would work for me, I decided to try it out. So, to make a long story short, the results were absolutely mind-blowing. After taking the Alpilean supplement on a regular basis for 4 months, I was able to lose 80 pounds. It was just amazing. And as I promised, you can see my before and after photos on the screen right now. So, what you see on your screen is me when I was 220 pounds and on the other side when I was 140 pounds. So yes, Alpilean does work as long as you take it regularly. And I'm really happy with how I look now. I just took 1 capsule with half a glass of water with my evening meal every day. I was always the fat one in my family. When we went out, people would stare at me and say things about how large I was. I would try to ignore it, but it was hard. I felt like I was always being judged and compared to my thinner siblings. And it made me self-conscious and I started to hate my body. I was starting to feel depressed about ever being able to actually get rid of all this excess fat, and I just couldn't see how it would be possible. At that time, there was an ad for Alpilean on my Facebook newsfeed, and after some initial hesitation, I made up my mind to give them a try despite my concerns, and I'm so pleased that I did. You can clearly see how much of a difference my weight loss of 80 pounds has made in my life. And I have finally reached the point where I'm happy with who I am and feel at ease in my own skin. The fact that I didn't have to commit myself to anything risky or painful in order to get rid of the excess weight is the best part. So yes, I really love Alpilean. I will advise you that you have to take it every day if you want your body to change. As you know, there is no magic supplement, but if you keep taking Alpilean, I'm sure you'll get to see great results. So yes, the product actually works perfectly, but you have to make sure you buy it from the official and real website of Alpilean. The link is in the description down below and is pinned in the comment as well down below. This is where I bought my own Alpilean supplement and I received it in about 9 to 10 days. And when you've made up your mind, you can just go ahead, click over to make sure that you're actually making a secure transaction. Now, as promised, I have now shared my personal experience and also shared my before and after pictures. I'll now review the advantages and disadvantages of the Alpilean supplement, because there are pros and cons to everything. Now I'll discuss these so you can compare and decide if Alpilean is right for you. Before I say anything else, please like this video to attract more people who want honest and helpful reviews. First, let's discuss what I enjoyed about Alpilean. First, I want to say that I didn't have to stop eating most of the foods I liked. I didn't have to stick to a strict diet or run for hours and hours, but I do walk for 40 minutes every day after my dinner as my routine. The second thing I'd like to say is that my face started to reduce. I can even notice that my face is much thinner than it used to be and that my double chin slowly fades away. The third thing I really like about these Alpilean is that they offer a 2-month money-back guarantee with no questions asked. For people like me, this makes everything risk-free because I can try it and just get my money back if it doesn't work. This made everything no-brainer for me, and I'm so happy with my transformation. Now, let's talk about the cons with this product. I'm telling you these things so that you can weigh the pros and cons and decide for yourself if you want to use Alpilean or not. I'd like to talk about something about Alpilean that you probably won't like and that most people probably won't like. The results aren't always the same, and that's obvious for many things in life. So I have to say this because I've seen some people complain that it took them 3 months to start seeing results. And I still see people say that it works very quickly and gives them results in about 2 months. It took me about 3 to 4 months to start seeing amazing results, which I shared with you. I lost 80 pounds in 4 months, but I think it was worth the wait. So yes, the Alpilean supplement does work perfectly, but it might take some people a little longer and others a little less time. So you just need to use it regularly and see what happens. It works for me, so I don't know why it shouldn't work for you too, honestly. Second, you can only buy Alpilean from their official website. I would rather buy it from Amazon though. But you can't buy it on Amazon, eBay or anywhere else. But that wasn't a big deal since I still got my Alpilean in less than 10 days after purchasing it from their official website. So now it's up to you to decide if you want to use Alpilean supplement or not. However, to wrap up this review video, I would strongly encourage anyone who wants to get Alpilean to just do it because it worked for me and I really don't see why it wouldn't work for you too and other people as well. I was happy to know that I could get my money back if I didn't see the visible result in 2 months, so this was an easy choice for me. But also, please remember that if you are going to decide to use Alpilean supplement, then please just make sure that you're using the official website, which again, I put a link in the description and in the pinned comment down below of this video. So with all that said, I still want to remind you guys to leave a like on this video so that other people searching for honest reviews will find this video. And finally, if at any point of this video watching this review, you still have any questions that relate to the Alpilean supplement, please feel free to drop me the comments and just feel free to ask me in the comments section down below and I'll always be around to answer. So thanks for watching guys and have a great day.